When I went to Auschwitz, I was researching my personal heritage, and my grandfather was a professional accordion player, and I grew up dancing the polka and singing along, of course. And so that fascination with my personal history and the homage to an older gentleman playing the accordion as a form of referencing my own personal history was how the work began with a 65-year-old accordion player who I magically found in Gainesville, Florida, who was out of this world and fascinatingly interested in improvising with a young group of women who wanted to investigate the Holocaust together. The sound collaborator for this project is named Terrence Karn, and he is a phenomenal musician who I met at the American Dance Festival, and he actually played for a site-specific version that we performed in Durham 2 years ago. And with this opportunity to bring the accordion into this space specific to Danspace, we're investigating the way that the sound travels in this beautiful space and the way that he plays up an altar, up a staircase, from a balcony. How does he evoke the history of it all? And how does he respond to what's happening and also instigate what happens at the same time? The vocals come in on behalf of the performers. They're another level of guttural exploration of the work.